Start by timing your first cleaning pass right after the grout firms up, but before it fully hardens. For large format tile installations, begin with a high-quality cementitious or epoxy grout selected for the joint width and expected movement. Spread grout with a rubber grout float held at a 45-degree angle and work diagonally across joints to avoid pulling material out of the lines. After you tool the joints, let the grout lose its sheen until it becomes a light skin that resists finger imprinting. Then perform a first cleaning pass with a damp sponge using a figure-8 motion, rinsing the sponge often in clean water to avoid smearing haze. Make additional cleaning passes with progressively cleaner water and a slightly swung sponge edge to refine the joint profile and remove excess grout from the tile face without digging into the joint. For very wide or deep joints, consider backing rod or layered grouting, where you fill lower portions first and allow partial cure between lifts to control shrinkage and ensure full compaction. If using epoxy grout, work in smaller areas and use a specialized epoxy grout float and solvent-dampened pads recommended by the manufacturer, since epoxy cures differently than cement grouts. Common issues include overworking joints, which can cause voids and reduce strength, so tool once with steady pressure and stop. If voids appear, regrout the affected section after complete removal and full cure of failed material. Another problem is leaving too much haze on the tile face, which looks sloppy and becomes difficult to remove later. Address this by making multiple cleaning passes with clean water and a soft microfiber cloth for final buffing. Lastly, uneven joint profiles can result from inconsistent float angle or timing. Maintain a 45-degree float angle and a consistent wait time based on room temperature and humidity, and practice on a sample board when conditions are unusual. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for tile and grout work and lets contractors list their services and find new projects. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real job site experiences together.